If you've come to buy water, I apologize for the sorry state of the johades. My idiot brother has all but ruined us. I suppose it'll fall to me to dig the family out of this sandpit. The water's been contaminated. To top it off, whatever's tainted the johades seems to attract the desert beetles. Workers won't go near the johades, and with good reason. But I still need to find out what's contaminated our lifeblood. I do. The workers have rest camps in between the johades. If someone brought in this poison, there may be evidence of it there. If you can find something of import, bring it to me. I'll be at the main johad down the road. There are reservoirs. Even in the desert, there is moisture in the air. The rain catchers collect it and funnel it into the johades. Then we carry the water to the city in large urns. Or at least... Almur? Where you see the heaviest work done. Look for him elsewhere. This is our family's business. He should show proper pride in our work. Ah, well. I can take care.
You've got a knack for stumbling across those things.
Jahi sent you, didn't she? That smell. It's the same that's coming up from the johades. Is that what was in the bottle you picked up? Jahi will never believe me, but I want to find out who did this as much as she. I know, and in a way it is. Our father put me in charge of the johades after I, returned from Sentinel. Within a fortnight, most of the johades reeked of this musk. Even so, I have no idea how any of this happened. Only one way to know for sure. A taste test. These 3 johades are the ones attracting the most beetles. See if the water has the same flavor as that vial. She has her reasons, and I respect them as I do her. It would make no difference if I defend myself now. The important...
That's over with, I suppose. day will be ours! Sheath your weapons. The battle is won. What do you think you'll make?
And to think I almost got away from the family business. Father giving it to my younger brother seemed like the perfect compromise. But look where it's brought us. Have you found anything? I recognize this. It's the same kind of vial my brother's wife uses for her alchemy. Is she responsible for this madness, I wonder? Ohama's a Khajiit apothecary from Sentinel. I had no quarrel with her, but if she's responsible for this, my father must know. She cares for him in the house just beyond here. Father didn't approve of their marriage, of course, but she is very skilled.
I welcome you to my father's home. Please, excuse our scant hospitality. I've been tending to Naseiran day and night, and it leaves little time to prepare for guests. It is mine. A rare bug musk, used in some Basmar cooking, if I recall. I thought I'd misplaced it on the trip here. Tell me, where did you... Blessed Ban! Tuwaka! I beg you, keep your voice down. My father-in-law would truly turn me out if he heard such rumors. How could it be? I swear upon my very clothes, I had nothing to do with the johades. Still, I would not know. Many of the workers come in and out of the house for refreshments. So perhaps one of them took it. But still, why would they do such a thing? It is strange, but wait and listen. Outside, a woman peddles her trained lizards. Ask if her pets can track scents, such as this bug musk. Just holding the vial leaves residue on one's hands. If you find who held the vial, you'll find who stole it.
Greetings, Sandwalker. I can tell by that look in your eye, you know lizards. Do they speak to you? Do you enjoy the feel of their cool scales against your cheek? Of course. Did you know lizards smell with their tongues? They are quite adept at detecting even the faintest trace of a scent. I have a fine tracking lizard if you're interested in purchasing one. I'll even train him to the scent of your choice. Jahi would never believe such lies. But if it's for her, I will give you a lizard for your scenting. There, now you have it. Your lizard will find whoever has that rotten odor clinging to you.
A friendly one, isn't it? Come here, little one.
It's my job to keep the beetles in check normally, but...
We were actually getting ahead for a change, storing extra barrels of water for Sentinel. Yes, it's fairly simple.
What an adorable lizard. Ugh, stop biting,
Hold.
lizard.
This has gone on long enough. I don't know who you are, but if you seek the one responsible for the johad's, you do so backwards. Come. Jahi should hear this as well. I've never known such fear. There's no denying that some of the workers made some bad decisions. But they're not the one who orchestrated it. They were bribed to administer that poison to the johad's. They swore they had no idea it would bring disaster upon us. And it probably was. The man I spoke to was no Khajiit, though that is all I can say about him. He was hidden from view when we first spoke, his voice muffled. I refused to take his gold. I knew sooner or later someone would. Some of the workers said the payoff location was inside the house. That was before the beetles came. After that, no one wanted anything to do with this strange man's scheme. I'd searched there for any sign of who this person was.
I can't believe my sister thinks Ohamą had something to do with this. Where is Father? I demand to talk to him! What? And Father is gone too? Do you think they've done something to him? Sepp spit. What else could go wrong? What have you found in your search? Then whoever else was in here smells of it too. We need some way to detect the scent and follow their trail. Brilliant. You follow the trail and my sister and I will spread out to look for Father. They can't have taken him far. He is an old man after all.
Seems my secret is a secret no more.
Father? Are you all right?
Wasn't expecting to run into a beetle. It must have followed my scent.
You poisoned the johades? But why?
Father, your wound.
My last wish was for the johades to remain within the family. But it caused nothing but strife.
No. You can't die. Not now.
Listen, I wish for your happiness. Promise me, the johades.
We will find happiness, Father. I swear to you.
This is my fault. I'm the one who wanted to sell the johades. My father deserved better than this. It falls to one of us to take charge of the johades. Father always wanted me to have them, but I feel I'm the one who truly betrayed the family. Yes, I am prepared to take them. I just never thought... Well, I am eldest after all. This is my duty. We'll mend our family here. We won't fail our father's dream. I can't. Not after all this. It'll be hard work, but together we'll do it. I've always been too hard on him. He's found a beautiful wife, and he's always cared for Father all these years. He's done well for himself. Father would be proud.
There's always something new to learn.